Hey guys, Chris Fix here. Today we're going to talk about the top things you should never do to your car's paint. Now you guys know I love a good DIY car detail, and I always get tons of questions about how to keep your car's paint looking brand new. Taking care of your car's paint isn't just about looks though. It's about protecting your investment and avoiding costly repairs down the road. So many people make these simple mistakes that can lead to serious damage. We're gonna walk through each one, and I'll give you the know-how to keep your ride shining like the day it rolled off the lot. Let's get started. All right, let's kick things off with a mistake I know a lot of you are making, using dish soap to wash your car. Now, I know it seems tempting. You're out of car wash soap. You got Dawn right there in the kitchen? Why not, right? Wrong. Here's the deal. Dish soap is designed to cut through grease and grime on your dishes. And while that's great for your pots and pans, it's really bad for your car's paint. See, dish soap is way too harsh for that delicate clear coat, and it strips away all the protective wax you guys know I'm always telling you to use. That leaves your paint vulnerable to the elements, UV rays, water spots, you name it. You know that dull, faded look your car gets over time? Using dish soap just speeds up that process. Instead of dish soap, make sure you're using a dedicated car wash soap. Car wash soap is specifically formulated to be gentle on your car's paint while still getting rid of dirt and grime. Remember, using the right products is just as important as the techniques themselves. Trust me, your car will thank you for it. We've all been there. You come out to your car and bam! Some feathered friend has decided to use your hood as a target. It's annoying, right? But here's the thing. Bird droppings are more than just unsightly. They're actually pretty damaging to your car's paint. See, bird droppings are acidic, and if they're left to sit on your paint for too long, they can actually eat through the clear coat. That's going to leave you with a nasty stain that's going to cost you a lot more than a simple car wash to fix. So what do? Well, the key here is to act fast. As soon as you spot bird droppings on your car, try to remove them as soon as possible. Now, I'm not saying you need to carry a detailing kit with you everywhere you go, but even just quickly wiping them away with a damp cloth can make a big difference. And when you do wash your car, make sure you give those areas with bird droppings a little extra attention. Alright, let's talk about sponges. Now, you might think any old sponge will do for washing your car, but using a dirty sponge is like taking sandpaper to your paint. Think about it. When you're washing your car, you're picking up all kinds of dirt and grime, right? Well, if you're using a dirty sponge, all that dirt and grime is just going to get rubbed right back into your paint, creating tiny scratches. Those tiny scratches might not seem like a big deal at first, but over time, they can dull your paint and make it look old and worn. And once you have those scratches, the only way to get rid of them is with polishing or even repainting. And nobody wants that. So how do you avoid this? Easy. Use a clean microfiber wash mitt. Microfiber is super soft and gentle on your paint, and it does a great job of picking up dirt and grime without scratching. Plus, they're super easy to clean. Just toss them in the washing machine. I get it. Parking under a shady tree on a hot day can be tempting, but trust me, it's not worth the risk to your car's paint. Trees, while beautiful and majestic, are essentially giant, messy, sticky, sappy hazards to a pristine paint job. First off, you've got tree sap. Tree sap is like glue for your car's paint. It sticks to it like crazy and can be a real pain to remove. And if it's left on your paint for too long, it can actually etch into the clear coat, leaving behind permanent marks. Then there's the issue of bird droppings, which we've already covered. Birds love trees, and what goes up must come down, right? And let's not forget about falling branches, especially during storms. Even a small branch can leave a nasty dent or scratch on your car's paint. So, what's the solution? Simple. Park in the open whenever possible. I know it's not always convenient, but it's a small price to pay to protect your car's paint. I know washing your car can seem like a chore, but trust me, it's one of the most important things you can do to protect your car's paint. Think of it like this. Your car is exposed to all sorts of contaminants every day. Dirt, grime, bird droppings, pollen, industrial fallout, you name it. And all those contaminants can build up on your car's paint over time, slowly eating away at the clear coat and dulling the finish. Regular washes help to remove those contaminants before they have a chance to do any real damage. Now, I'm not saying you need to wash your car every day, but I do recommend washing it at least every other week, or once a week if you live in an area with harsh weather conditions or lots of pollution. And when you do wash your car, make sure you're using the proper techniques and products. Remember, a little bit of care goes a long way. Alright, let's talk about automatic car washes. Specifically, those automatic car washes with the big spinning brushes. You know the ones I'm talking about. Now, I'm not going to lie, those car washes can be tempting, especially when you're short on time. But the truth is, those big spinning brushes can actually do more harm than good to your car's paint. Think about it. Those brushes are used on hundreds of cars a day, and even though they're rinsed between washes, they're never truly clean. That means they're picking up dirt, grime, and other contaminants from all those other cars and then rubbing them all over your car. This can lead to tiny scratches, also known as swirl marks, which can make your paint look dull and hazy over time. Now, I'm not saying you should never use an automatic car wash, but if you do, try to find one that uses soft cloth mitters instead of brushes. Better yet, wash your car by hand or use a touchless car wash. Remember how I'm always talking about protecting your car's paint? Well, waxing is one of the best ways to do just that. Think of wax as a shield for your car's paint. It creates a protective barrier that helps to repel water, dirt, grime, and other contaminants. This helps to keep your paint looking shiny and new for longer, and it also helps to prevent those pesky swirl marks and scratches. Now, I know waxing your car can seem like a daunting task, but trust me, it's not as difficult as it seems. Plus, there are tons of great waxes on the market these days, so you're sure to find one that fits your needs and budget. And once you see how amazing your car looks after a fresh coat of wax, you'll be hooked. I recommend waxing your car at least twice a year, or more often if you live in an area with harsh weather conditions. Alright, let's talk about towels. Specifically, the types of towels you use to dry your car. Using the wrong type of towel can actually scratch your car's paint. I know it sounds crazy, but it's true. Using rough, abrasive towels, like those old bath towels we all have lying around, can create tiny scratches on your car's paint, just like using a dirty sponge. Instead of rough towels, you want to use a soft, plush microfiber drying towel. Microfiber is super gentle on your car's paint, and it does an amazing job of absorbing water. Plus, microfiber towels are really affordable and easy to find. Trust me, your car's paint will thank you for making the switch. We've all been there. You wash your car on a hot day, and before you know it, you've got water spots all over it. Water spots are those pesky mineral deposits that are left behind when water evaporates from your car's paint. Now, if you don't dry those water spots quickly, they can actually etch into your car's clear coat, leaving behind permanent marks. That's because the minerals in the water spots are basically baking onto your paint in the sun. So, how do you prevent water spots? Well, the key is to dry your car quickly after washing it. And when you do dry it, use a soft, absorbent microfiber drying towel. Don't let your car air dry, as this will just increase the chances of water spots. Remember, a little bit of prevention goes a long way when it comes to water spots. Alright, let's talk about harsh chemicals. Now, I'm all for using the right products to clean and protect your car, but there are some chemicals out there that are just too harsh for your car's paint. I'm talking about things like oven cleaner, brake cleaner, and even some household cleaners. These products are designed to cut through grease and grime, and they can actually strip away your car's clear coat if you're not careful. Now, I know it can be tempting to reach for the strongest cleaner you can find, but trust me, it's not worth the risk. There are plenty of car-specific cleaners out there that are tough on dirt and grime, but gentle on your car's paint. When in doubt, always err on the side of caution and choose a gentler product. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you learn some simple but important things you should never do to your car's paint. Remember, taking care of your car's paint is all about protecting your investment and keeping it looking its best for years to come. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. See you next time.